The people that are about to bring the world, they are not in the church yet. They are still out there. They don't look like what we look like. They don't talk like what we talk like. But they are out there, and God is about to bring them in. And I believe God is sending me into His church to tell them, don't turn them out when they come, because you will be turning out the angels that God is sending into the church to bring about that transparency.
Everything that God has purposed for you, this morning it must come to pass. Everything that you have been believing God for, that door that you have been hoping that He will open, God will do something supernatural this morning. I want you to just stretch forth your arm of faith and say, God, I believe you.